unrolled a bale of hay this morning, and just thought they probably needed a little bit extra on top of this stuff. It's not the best forage, but they're doing all right. They're eating this hay this morning. Calves are looking really good. I don't know if I told you all this, but I had a farmer come out and look at them, and he said for them having calves on them, they look pretty good. I can't wait until we start working them and everything, but yeah, there's just a quick look at all the cows that we have right now. All 30 of them. Huge herd, 30 counting the calves. But it's a lot of fun. Good morning, everybody. Welcome out here to another exciting morning at the farm. Today we are moving these girls over into a new part of the field. I've basically subdivided this last field for the year into 3 big parts. So we're going into the second part of the field. And everybody's looking good. Everybody's looking pretty healthy and everything. Knock on wood, really hoping that things continue. Had a good friend of mine come out yesterday and look at them because, hey, I'm almost at a year now of doing this farming thing, and I do not have all the answers. And I want y'all to see this. This is one of my things. So there's Cadillac. Cadillac has lice. But what's going to happen is all his hair is going to come off, and the sun is going to kill all those lice that are on old Mr. Cadillac. But we do have some ivermectin. If it continues to really look like it's, spreading amongst the other cows and everything, then we'll try to fix that. But I know that is one thing about the South Poles. They do slick down so much that we don't have to worry about treating it as much. A lot of people on South Pole forums just said, when the sun comes out, they'll kill all the lice because his hair will be pretty much slicked off. So yeah, guys, just a really simple move this morning. Let's go do some other stuff on the farm. Yeah, little Coyote is not having a good day today. I think I woke her up. She's sitting in here in the working facility. Not scared at all. She might have pups over here. Yeah, I think I'm just going to come back later on. Anyway, that was fun.